Hello everyone, this is Veronica, Buzzing with V. Welcome to another video. Charms with what you have. So let's get out all of those supplies that you have stored away that you haven't used in over 6 months. And this is what we're doing. We are getting everything ready for some charms. And look at everything as a potential charm. And what I mean by that are these flowers right here. I picked these up at Walmart. Potential charm. Even these right here, these purple ones. Potential charm. These puffy hearts. If you have any of these puffy hearts. Even these, when I started crafting, I bought these at the Dollar Tree and they're still there. You could pick them up at the Dollar Tree still. And I never used them. And so I figured these are potential charms. And even, you guys, even stickers. So right here, I have this balloon right here. And that balloon came from Hobby Lobby. So think of your stickers as potential charms. So I'm going to try this one as well. I didn't get to do a test run on this, but we're going to try that. Look at your dies as potential charm making tools, and you could use them with this glitter foam from Hobby Lobby. And I love making charms out of these foams. They just look really nice and puffy and sparkly, and that's what I like. And also a die like this. Get your dies as potential charms as well. So we have a butterfly, everything that would look cute as a charm. So let's go ahead and get started. Okay, so I went ahead and die cut these stars and these hearts right here. So let's go ahead and make some charms out of them. Okay, so you're going to need hot glue, of course, and you're going to need some jump rings. You're going to need some of your wire wrapping tools, and that's just to open up jump rings and so forth. You're going to need E6000. You'll need a punch. I picked this one up at Hobby Lobby, and you can see the hole. It's a very small little hole. I believe it's 1/8 of an inch. From Hobby Lobby by Paper Studios. Okay, so the dies are from BB Craft. Okay, so let's go ahead and make the star. So you just turn them over, and these are, I forgot to mention that these are adhesive glitter foam, and so you will need to take the adhesive or the backing off. Just apply some hot glue and add your star. So now it's like a little puffy glitter star. I love it. Okay, so now we're going to punch a hole. And there's your hole. So I'm going to go ahead and do one more, and let's do a heart so you can get the hang of both. So take the backing off. Get glue seeping out and it dries, just snip it off with your scissors. You can even make larger hearts like this and make a charm as well. Put them on your packages. They would look so pretty that way. Put them on, well, for your kids, your backpacks as well. So pretty as well. So there's the heart. Let's punch a hole. I'm going to do it on the side. So there's the hole. So I'm going to go ahead and do the others, and then we'll come back and add the jump rings. Okay, so we're back, and I made a few jump rings right here with these head pins right here. These head pins I picked up for Michael. Okay, so open one of your jump rings, and let's go. I'm going to need another tool. So I'm going to get my round nose pliers right here, or I think a flat nose pliers. Yes, it is a flat nose plier, and this other one that I have is a round nose. So now let's go ahead and add our jump rings, and now this foam star becomes a charm. Very neat. So I'm going to go ahead and add them all to these, and I will be right back with the next charm. I went ahead and put all the jump rings on here, and so that's what that looks like. So these are done, these charms are done, and let's move on to the next. So the next is these stickers for Michael's. Now I love these stickers, and all you have to do is just grab two of them, put them together, add a hole, and then add your jump ring. So let's go ahead and do that. Now turn them over, and we're going to take off the adhesive foam from the back. So we're left with two balloons. So now what you want to do is we're going to punch a hole right through the balloon. And then what you want to do is grab the other balloon, and with a mechanical pencil, go ahead and make a dot. So, and put it through that hole right there, and that way we could punch a hole right in the same spot as the first balloon. So I'm going to go ahead and do that. Okay, in my case, I used this marker, and this is Micron from Hobby Lobby. It's in the art section. So I did a hole right there, and what you want to do is now use your punch to punch a hole. And there you have it. I almost punched it way too close to the edge, and just be careful with that. Luckily it's still there, but you know, this one I did perfectly fine. That one will probably, yeah, that will probably fall off, but go ahead and add some hot glue. And then put your balloons together. So there it is. It's a little snug. You could use a bigger jump ring, but I'm just going to use that. I can add another jump ring up here just to make it so it flows a little better. So I'm going to add jump ring to the pink balloon. So here are the two balloons with jump rings. It is now a charm. So we got the stars, the hearts, the balloons, and then next we are going to do these flowers right here. These are recollection flowers, and you want to grab two. Okay, so I have two flowers right here. Turn them over, and we're going to add hot glue. So now punch a hole. Okay, so there's the hole. So now I'm going to add a jump ring. There is our next charm. And now the one I want to do is those butterflies from the Dollar Tree. And I did a few already. And what you need with this is E6000. So here they are. And we just need to add a jump ring. And you know, with this, for some reason, it cracks the back of the butterfly. But if you're not worried about that, I'm not. You could still use these for charms. So I'm going to go ahead and put a jump ring on one so you can see. Well, there it is, you guys. I think they're going to look good as charms. So there that is. So let's go ahead and make one on camera so I could show you how that works. Okay, so I'm going to grab this green. It's kind of like a sage green almost. So you want 2 of them. And you turn them over, and I picked this up from Hobby Lobby. So add some E6000. So this is it, and if you have a clip like this, you could put this clip right on top, and to keep it secure, and you would leave it like that overnight. And if any E6000 seeps out, just go ahead and clean it. And I'm going to leave that overnight. So after you leave it overnight, it looks like these right here, like I showed you. Super pretty and neat. And so let's go ahead and do another flower. These are super easy, but yeah, if you want some flowers as charms, that would work too. So all you have to do with this is just add a jump ring, and ta-da, you're done. All done. And that's it. So there it is right there. Okay, next. Even the patches, if you have patches like this, all you have to do is glue it to the back of glitter cardstock and make it look pretty. Cut it out and then punch a hole and you have a charm. Okay, so you guys, these butterflies from Dollar Tree, you get so many of them. And so, yeah, this would be really great project to add as Happy Mail. So you need 2 of the same butterflies, so buy 2 packages. And I'm gonna go ahead and use a small one. So I'm gonna grab this one at the bottom, both butterflies right here. So let's go ahead and back them up. So there it is, right there, and let's go ahead and nip a hole. Okay, add a jump ring, all done. So now it is a charm, and you have a butterfly charm. It'll be hanging like so. Super cute. I love it. I love it, love it, love it. Okay, so I think that is it. You could try the stars as well. These ones right here. These ones were from Joanne, do you remember? Some of you remember them. But just put them together. And you got some gold shiny stars, and I didn't put it together very well. There we are. Okay, so now let's go ahead and add a hole. Let's go add a jump ring. There it is, you guys. Really pretty star. And it's a sticker. I like it. I really like it. That is cute. I love it. Okay, so recap. Let's go ahead and go over everything we made. And so we have the flower, we have the balloon, We got the butterflies. Got the foam, puffy foam. We got Dollar Tree stickers. And my favorite of them all, the star. Love it. I love that little star, so cute. And we have a puffy star right here. You can also use, I got these hearts from Persian Glitter Princess. You can add puffy or foam hearts as you can add goodness gracious, felt hearts as well as puffy as charms. So just put the flowers together, add some hot glue. Same old dealio. Then poke a hole. And let's add the jump ring to this felt flower. Ta-da! It's all done, you guys. So there it is. I'm getting all kinds of stuff on my hands now. So many little pretty charms. So this video is how to make charms with what you have. Use what you have, you guys. Be creative, and I hope this helped you. And I'm sure I'm not the first one that came up with this, because we got some crafty ladies in this crafty community. So if I stepped on anyone's toes, please let me know, and I will link them in the description below, and letting everyone know that they created one of these already. Well, you guys, I hope you guys liked this little making charms with what you have. Let me know what you guys think down below, and I will see you in the next video. And don't forget to be happy. Bye.